24/7.
Hey, what's up? I'm KBHD here.
The Apple Watch Series 6, released in September 2020, is the current iteration of Apple Watch that originally launched in 2015. The Apple Watch Series 6 is identical in design to the Series 5, but there are some notable health-related features along with a faster and a better performance. There's a new sensor on the Apple Watch Series 6 that enables blood oxygen monitoring that measures oxygen saturation in the blood and for better understanding of fitness and wellness. When oxygen saturation levels drop, it can be a sign for serious illness. Apple Watch Series 6 continues to be available in 40 and 44mm size, and it has same thinner small case introduced in Series 4 along with the low power LTPO OLED always on display. In the Series 6, the always on display is 2.5 times brighter than Apple Watch Series 5. Apple Watch Series 6 is water resistant and supports Apple Pay purchases like prior models, plus it has all the same health related features in addition to the blood oxygen monitoring. Apple Watch Series 6 is able to do things like monitor steps taken, calories burned, stairs climbed and heart rate. Plus it can take ECG readings, track sleep, look out for fall detection, make emergency calls with SOS and watch out for very loud sounds. The Apple Watch Series 5 models, Series 6 models feature a black ceramic and sapphire crystal backing and a digital crown with haptic feedback. The digital crown has built-in sensors for ECG readings. Design of the Apple Watch Series 6. A key reason to watch Apple Watch Series 6 over Apple Watch SE are the color and finishes. The SE only comes in aluminium, which is the cheapest material, and you only get to choose from silver, grey or gold. The Series 6 comes in aluminium too, but also stainless steel, which has a much higher quality finish. And there are 6 new colors for Series 6. There is blue, product red, graphite, and there are many other colors too. The stainless steel Series 6 is a notable cut above Apple Watch SE, and it's great there's no more choice of colors. However, appearance-wise, everything is same as Series 5 and SE. It retains the upgrade shape introduced in Series 4 and uses the same screen tech and quality. There's the same digital crown used to scroll to menus and summon the menu screen. Smart features of Apple Watch Series 6. If you're looking for most comprehensive health features, then choosing between Apple Watch and Fitbit Sense is a tough call to make. And as a sports watch, Garmin's and Phoenix watches still lead the way. But as a smartwatch, the Apple Watch is almost unparalleled. Notifications are bread and butter and delivered superbly. Then you have Apple Pay, which is still a leader in contactless payments. App Store is brimming with Apple Watch apps and quality has improved dramatically. The 6 chip is more than capable for powering demanding apps, and we've seen Google Maps rejoin the platform. If you're into Apple services, then you have support for Apple Music and you can have playlists sync on to smartwatch. The same as you can for podcasts. We'd say this needs revamping as the process is pretty fiddly, but users of Apple One will get plenty of value from the Apple Watch. Now coming to the battery life of Apple Watch Series 6. Apple has stated that it will last for 18 hours, but we got way more than that, with closer to 36 hours and time including a 45-minute workout. It's sleep tracking that really upsets things. The routine of nightly charging was acceptable, but now we need to find time to charge and are having to create new routines. Ensuring we have charge is now something we actively think about, and that's a bit wrong. The faster charging does help. 0 to full in 90 minutes does make a difference. So we can generally pop the Apple Watch on its charger when we go to bed. And it's ready for the day when it's time. Apple Watch Series 6 or SE, which one you should buy? Design. Similar looks, but Series 6 has more design options. Like Series 6 has better colors and it also comes with stainless steel. So I give a point for design for Apple Watch Series 6. Next, hardware. Apple Watch Series 6 comes with blood oxygen sensor, which is not seen in SE. And it also has new features, so I give another point to Series 6. Coming to price. Apple Watch SE with some little less features is quite cheap compared to the Series 6, so I give a point for SE. Software features. Both run WatchOS 7. I would suggest you guys to buy Series 6 over SE. Thanks for watching the video.